how to download apps on your MacBook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can download apps on your MacBook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to download applications such as system applications and everything else on your MacBook, you have a dedicated app store. For that, if you look at the top of the menu, you'll find this MacBook icon over here, which is the Apple logo. Make sure to click on it, and underneath the system settings, you'll find an option that says App Store. So you have to make sure to just select the App Store button over here, and once you select this option right here known as App Store, you can see if you're opening it for the first time, it says welcome to App Store. So click the continue option over here, and once you've done that, you can stay up to date with notifications by clicking the continue option as well. And after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and discover any sort of apps that are available. Click the get option, and the interface is almost similar like you have on iPhones as well. Pretty much it's just an iOS as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically get or download apps on your MacBook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.